What items can I absolutely not travel to Disneyland Paris without? I highly recommend that you travel to Disneyland Paris, or just travelling in general if you're using the Eurostar or a flight, to invest in some noise cancelling headphones. These are the Sony XM5s and the noise cancelling on them is so good. The amount of times I've been on a Eurostar or a train and there are noisy passengers, let's just say, sat next to me or in the same carriage, and it's just nice to escape, pop these on, and yeah, these are so comfortable and they look alright as well for headphones. So yeah, they've got a nice padded top there. Hopefully the camera is focusing. And yeah, they are really nice to travel with. The only thing is that is as far as they sort of fold flat. They don't like fold up. The cups don't sort of fold up into this empty space. But yeah, I'm very happy with these, and I got them on Amazon, so I will pop the link for these in the description. The next item I cannot be without is a travel adapter. Now this one I also got on Amazon. I will pop the link down below. A normal plug output, and then at the bottom it's got a USB-C and 3 USBs on there, so you can really charge a lot of your gear on this. This brand is Dacian, and yeah, I got it on Amazon and it wasn't very expensive, so I would highly recommend that you get one of these because you can have loads of things charging at the same time. If you are like me in the parks and you just have to take photos of everything, videos for everything, your phone battery may suffer quite considerably. I went on Amazon and I found this TechNet portable battery pack. It's ideal for charging your phone. That's what it looks like. And along the bottom you have the charging input and the output on there as well, and they are so useful. I love just being able to chuck my phone on charge in my bag and just not worry about it when I'm sort of on my way to a ride or a dinner reservation. And then yeah, it's great. This actually charges my iPhone. I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this charges my iPhone about one and a half charges, so it's very good. It doesn't weigh very much. It's sort of the size of, similar to my phone. Okay, a bit smaller than my phone. But that's just a size comparison for you, so you can see how much room it might take up in your coat pocket or your bag. Another bonus to these TechNet battery packs is they do get slightly warm when they're charging your phone. So if you do have them in your pocket in the winter months, I like to kind of like hold on to it like that just to warm my hands up a bit. But yeah, highly recommend these. I have 3 of them. They're currently in the sale on Amazon and I will link them below. I like to travel with a travel wallet, and this one I got from Sainsbury's probably a few years ago now. It was quite a while ago. This brand is called Sky and Miller, and I love how it's got sections and you kind of know where everything is. I have actually still got the tag on there, I've never taken it off, but as you can see you have a section for passport, tickets, boarding pass and currency, and it's just really good to keep everything like secure and together. And it has like a clip on here, and yeah, I'm very happy with this. Okay, so the next few items I'm going to show and share with you are items specific to blogging, vlogging, sort of if you're taking a camera with you. I got this Stitch pouch from Primark, and it is so good for keeping all my camera batteries together in one place. So these are what my camera batteries look like, and also I do keep my SD cards in here as well. So those are those, and I like to keep them all together in a handy pouch. If you have a Sony camera like me, you may have noticed that Sony camera batteries are incredibly expensive. I think they're like £35–40 just for one battery. So Amazon do a fantastic battery charging dock, and it includes 4 batteries for your camera as well, and it was under £25. So this is the one I got. It's the Duo Pro, and you can charge 2 batteries at once, and on the display here it kind of shows you the progress of the batteries charging, which is really, really useful. It comes with a little cable to plug in. It's just a USB one, and the batteries look like this. So you get 4 of these, and they come in these really handy kind of hard plastic shells just to keep them safe. So yeah, I would highly recommend you get those. I know that they do them for Canon G7X Mark II as well. They might be a slightly different brand, but they do kind of the same the same setup, where you get a battery charging dock and you get 4 batteries. Please, 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 if you are going somewhere where you are going to do a lot of walking, a lot of standing around, please do yourself a favour and get some Compeed blister patches. They're like little plasters. They're sort of oval shape, and you pop them on the back of your heels, and they are so comfortable. I have had times where I've been in the parks and I have really regretted not using them. So do yourself a favour, when you wake up, just pop a couple on the backs of your feet and you are good to go for the whole day. They stay in place, they don't come off, and they just protect you. I would not travel without my Amazon Kindle. Don't judge me for the fact that I'm reading a Christmas book in February. Yes. My one's the Kindle Paperwhite, a signature edition. It's really, really good. I love how the screen is like level with the outside. And I stuck a pop socket on the back. I've currently taken it off though because I like to charge it. It's a really nice size to hold, and it's so small and so light. You can just literally pop it in your bag. You can just put it in your bag, forget about it. And it's great for travelling on the train or Eurostar or on the plane. It's also water resistant. I use Kindle Unlimited, which is a service provided by Amazon. There are over 1 million books on there to choose from, so you know you're just never going to run out of something to read. There is literally something for everybody on there. I will put a link below in my description, and you can have a month's free trial. I am going to be transparent with you and say that if you do click on my Kindle Unlimited trial link in my description, it is an affiliate link, which means I do get a small kickback from it, but that money will be reinvested into my channel to keep creating content. So thank you in advance. I would love to know if you have an Amazon Kindle and what book you are reading at the moment. Do let me know, because I'm always looking for recommendations of good books to read. I tend to read crime, and I tend to read sort of Christmas books. I just love all the like warm fuzzy feelings of them. So 2 completely polar opposite things, but that's just what I like to read. If you think I've missed anything really, really essential and you think I would benefit from using it, please let me know in the comments. If you have found this video useful, please like and subscribe, because it really does help my channel. See you next time.